Hello and welcome back, and here we're at the AVAG 91 car meeting at Itteville in the Essonne to south Paris, and today it's raining quite a bit, it's a bit drizzly, and there seems to be fewer cars, but we're going to have a look around. So that was a lovely catrail. Rather than me tell you what the cars are and waffle over the top of the wonderful atmosphere at this event, even though it's raining, I thought I'd just leave you to view what was on offer. To this day, I'm not sure why so many Morgans were gathered in one place, but it was a lucky find. Devant toi. Et par contre, quand ta voiture est suffisamment ancienne, tu peux tout démarrer.
Il y en a un deuxième, c'est l'arrière de parquet dans c'est partiellement de ça c'est
par contre ça peut être là, j'ai du mal à trouver enfin Generally each month the event ends around midday, but because of the weather, suddenly the cars left early. At the entrance to the shopping centre, you've got this conveniently placed roundabout, so I'll leave you to see all the cars leaving, and you can see just how much variety there was that day. Right, we're already into February, and I thought I'd do a catch up on my videos because I just hadn't the time to finish them. And in well, not in that yet. Tomorrow I am going to be having 3 teeth removed, which means that general anaesthetic and several days of recovery. And I'm not going to be able to talk a great deal, which is why I'm having it done during the school holidays. Oh, there's a nice big Porsche Cayenne coming towards me. So I'm going off for a walk, and we'll take things from there. So here we are in my place where I go for a walk, and it is a little bit boggy and muddy. We've had a lot of rain just lately, but anyway, Mega Breadvan has braved the potholes. I've actually damaged the tyres. I think I'm going to have to change all 4 of them at some point. Anyway, back to the car meet. It's a really good meet. It's every second Sunday of the month in a place called Itteville, which is a sort of small village around 8 miles away, I guess, to the south of Paris. So if you're interested in going, I think it is entirely possible. It's on a Sunday, so trains from Paris are a little less frequent, but having looked online, you could get a train from Gare du Nord, RERD, okay, RER in French, D, with a change at Essonne. The event starts at about 10 o'clock and runs until midday, so it's not very long, it's only 2 hours. So the other thing is that when you get to, in fact the nearest station to the event in Itteville is a place called La Ferté-Alais, and I think it's around a 30-minute walk from there, so if you're keen on walking, that's fine. And it's a fairly direct route as well, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm keen to go to another event. I haven't been to one since September, but I think this channel will see more AVAG 91 car meet videos, if that's your thing. So I'm still getting used to my new gimbal. It's a new thing. Oh, we've got a chap on his bike. What he's doing. We've got a flat or something. I don't know. Anyway, strange because when I arrived, there's quite a few cars going by. Normally this place is quite sort of deserted. But then again, it's the school holidays, so that changes things a little bit. Anyway, if you like to support the channel, feel free to give me a like and share, obviously. And I also have a Buy Me a Coffee page where you can see these videos in advance, probably about 3 or 4 days in advance. And there's a WhatsApp group and basically behind the scenes stuff. So if you like that sort of thing, head over to megabreadvan.world. Anyway, I'm going to go for my walk now and get ready for my thing tomorrow, the teeth and what have you. I'm not really looking forward to it, but anyway, it has to be done. And I'll catch you in another video, hopefully speaking properly. Take care of yourselves all. Bye.